Right, what we're going to do is go rapidly through the different types of the basic packaging material. We'll go through in greater depth in the actual lecture itself. But first we'll have the paper bags. Two types really. One's a plain paper bag, and then there's another one which has got a window. And this is important if you need to actually see what's in the bag, such as the patterns on the shoe. We have sellotape and a CJAC label. When things need a bit more protection, we have other bags and other containers. For instance, we have what we call a gun box, but this is the box that we used, which is folded up to construct like that, and inside then you can tie items like guns, knives or footwear, because with footwear, for instance, you don't want that to rub against any other surface to destroy the mark. We have specialist tubes for knives, because obviously if you put a knife into a bag, be it plastic or paper, it'll just go straight through. So, knife tubes. Make sure you select the right size one for the knife, and don't tighten it too much because it'll poke through the end. For small objects such as cigarette butts, bits of glass, universal tubings. We do have specialist bags for things like firearm residues and for arsons, and these are nylon bags. Although they look like plastic bags, they're made of nylon, and you can recognise them by the scrunchy sound which plastic bags don't make. They're expensive, so make sure you only use them for the approved items. After that, we go on to what's called tamper evidence type material, security seals. We will have tamper evidence bags, which once sealed cannot be opened without being seen it's being opened. We have tags, security tags. These have ratchets, but they also have unique numbering on them. So you tighten them, you can't untighten them without cutting them. And then finally we have little white sticky labels, which also act as security seals, but you'll see that a bit later on. And then finally, for bigger objects such as bodies, which again have to be packaged up exactly the same as any other piece of forensic evidence, then we do have specific bags such as this. Hopefully they're a bit cleaner than this. This is a reused one. But part of the skill of being a CSI, a crime scene investigator, is packaging things up properly with material that you've got. So you may not have these specific items, but as long as you have the knowledge as to what should go in what packaging and why and how to make it secure, then you should be fine. Thank you.